The Critique of Causality. The Illusion of Cause and Effect by Arthur Schopenhauer. There was a thing that happened to you today. Your mind went back in time, and you found a reason. After all, minds are what they do: cause, effect, a continuous string of all that's ever happened to you. It is as if it were perception. It is construction, says Schopenhauer. Kant did the initial edit. The cause-effect of the world is not a property of the world. They are mental processes that your mind uses to coherently organize raw experience. You are not aware of cause and effect. You impose it. The consequences of things in the world aren't always marked with arrows pointing to it from causes. The labeling on your mind is done automatically, even before you think. Schopenhauer deepens this. He reduces it all to one principle. Everything in experience has an adequate reason for being so, and not otherwise. All three concepts of time, space, and causality are manifestations of the same mental structure. The activity of the intellect itself, that is, its work made visible. The billiard ball collides with the second ball, and the second ball moves. The bond is felt as iron, as required. What you're actually experiencing is two representations which are connected by an idea that your mind did. You have to feel this need in yourself. It can't be in the world. It is in you. If causality means the way the mind forms experience, then the mind cannot be explained by causality. The gears of a machine cannot justify the machine. It is not a paradox. It's a horizon. You can see where it is. There is no avoiding it. What is underneath representation then? Schopenhauer's answer, will. Will doesn't cause things. It doesn't work before and after. It simply tries, moves forward without any reason, and without any end, without any chain. The costume will wears in the theater of representation is causality. The actor under is not a cause, not an effect, no part of the chain. All your accounting for anything in a particular way is a story. It's not a lie, it's a structure your mind gives you, and it's not actually a story underneath. Schopenhauer has nothing against science. He's locating it. That's where it's going to be useful. Here's the wall that it will always strike. You are not inside the machine. It's run by you.